Welcome to the lab setup. Please note that this lab can be configured inside GNS3 or if next generation. You can also use a hypervisor of your choice, such as VMware Workstation or VirtualBox. I'll be using VMware Workstation. You can download the Kerio Control 30-day trial from their official website. Once you have the ISO image, then you'll be ready to install. So on our VMware Workstation console, I'll remove existing network interface cards and create new interface cards. So the first one will be our local area network with that subnet. The second one will be our DMZ, and finally our wide area network with the respective subnet. So our firewall, which is the Kerio Control, will have 3 network interface cards, each card attached to each unique subnet, thereby allowing the firewall to segregate all 3 networks. Once you finish installing, you can log in for the first time to run the initial configuration, and then from there we can shut down our virtual machine and take a snapshot for future use. So the snapshot will allow us to revert back if something goes wrong. This is my VMware Workstation console. So I need to assign the 3 network interface cards according to our plan. So those cards will be assigned different subnets and different zones as well. So I'll click Edit, scroll down to Virtual Network Editor, and then I'll scroll down to Change Settings. So I'll remove all these network interface cards that were auto-assigned by VMware during installation. So I'll click Remove, select, click Remove, select, remove. Okay, as you can see now I'm left with none. So I can add. So I'll click Add Network. And please note that you cannot use VMnet 0, 1, or 8. Those 3 are reserved. So I will use VMnet 2. Click OK. And then I'll rename my network. So this network will be the LAN. I'll click OK. Scroll down to my subnet. So the subnet is 10.20.20.0. The subnet is /24. So /24 is as good as 255.255.255.0. So I need to add the DMZ. So I'll click Add Network. Scroll down. I'll select VMnet 3. Click OK. Click Rename. That will be my DMZ. Click OK. Scroll down to the subnet ID. My DMZ belongs to 172.20.20.0. And then I'll click Add Network. Now I need to add the WAN. So I'll scroll down to VMnet 4. Click OK. And then rename to WAN. Click OK. So the WAN must be assigned from host only adapter to net. So I'll change that to net and then change my subnet to 192.168.20.0. Okay, so let's double check. So I've got my LAN, which is host only adapter, and its subnet on 10.20.20.0. Then I've got my DMZ, also a host only adapter, that is 172.20.20.0. Finally, I've got the WAN, which will be a net, and make sure it's a net, please. So the WAN will be assigned an IP range of 192.168.20.0. So if we're happy with that, we'll click Apply or OK. So it's configuring in the background, it's not complaining. So I'll see you in the next video.